This video covers the most common mistakes made when setting up NewsTraderPro. Check quotes first. Make sure that price quotes are coming in for the symbols you want to trade. You can verify this under Session View Quotes window. News Filter Settings. In the News filter, ensure that Included Low is checked and that Symbol Filter is not selected. Then click Apply to save your filter. Select Reverse if you do not want to use My FX Book. Manage Groups. Go to Manage Groups and confirm that a group has been created. To create one, click the plus icon and choose any group name. Also, make sure your account is added to that group. You can assign multiple accounts to a single group. News providers, open news providers, and confirm that under Used Feeders, both feeders with the S suffix are selected. Yes, you must select both. Load recommended triggers. On Monday morning, right-click inside the Triggers window and choose Load recommended triggers. Assign groups to triggers. Select the group that contains your account for each trigger. If you are using two groups, duplicate each trigger by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate Trigger. Enable triggers. Check Enable for every trigger you want the software to trade. Lot size settings. For each trigger, click Edit. Go to the Invariable tab and set your lot size. Typically, the minimum lot size for currencies with fixed API brokers is 1,000. For metals, the minimum lot size is 1. Check the journal. Always review the journal for possible errors. Finally, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like to support us.